I'm Kate. Oh, sorry, your hands are full.
I'm Tyler.
Nice to meet you, Tyler.
So here's some glasses.
All right. Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a junior in the College of Business Administration at the University of Wisconsin-La Crosse, and today we are taking a look at Wittich Hall. I feel excited. I feel like this is a great opportunity for students to come and have their own place for the College of Business. There's places to collaborate and work on innovative projects, and it feels just so exciting and incredible to have your own space, your own opportunity to meet with your professors and work side by side with them on this new incredible building. I'm the most excited about the space dedicated to students. In the past, we really haven't had a space just for students to work on projects and to study and work side by side. And now a space in this building is dedicated to that. I think that's incredible. I will probably live in this new building. This will become my new home. Expect me here every day.